Okay, so today we're delving into the one and only hype beast that is Rasasi Hawas Black. Now this came in the mail today, and I have not opened it. As you can see, this is still sealed. A lot of people have talked about this fragrance, and this is not one that so I've never owned the original Hawas. It just wasn't one that seemed like it was something that was for me. I don't do too well with youthful fragrances, things like that. But when this came out, I said, okay, maybe I should dive into Hawas a little bit and check this one out. So this one is supposed to smell like a cross between Aventus Absolute as well as Hachivat. Both fragrances I have not smelled. I do own the original Aventus, but I do not own either Hachivat or Aventus Absolute, nor have I smelled them. So this is really going to be kind of like just picking up on what I smell and what my impressions are of this fragrance without knowing the other scents that this is supposed to smell like. And I've also been told that this is really its own thing. So I don't think it's a one-to-one clone of anything in particular, but it's supposed to be in the vein of those fragrances. This seems like a nice bottle. I like this. So that's what the bottle looks like. You can see the juice from the side there. Pretty dark. Now, I've been told this stuff is beast mode. I really like this bottle, though. This is I'm gonna throw this box away. I like the cap. Let's see this here. Very heavy cap. This looks nice. I really dig the presentation. The cap, wow. Has a weird. It does click into place, but it's kind of wonky. So that's the bottle. Let's go ahead and smell this bad boy and see what we pick up. I'm not wearing anything right now, so let's go ahead and see. Okay, nice atomizer. Okay. So let's go ahead and see where we are with this. Okay. This, wow. So this is very fruity. I'm picking up. So I see where this is compared to Aventus. I understand, because it does have an Aventus-esque opening. Much more bright, much more fruity. This smells like if you've ever zested a lemon. What lemon zest smells like. I'm also picking up some amber notes. This just really is very bright in the opening, very citrus forward. Maybe I'm picking up other fruits, maybe some pineapple, definite lemon, but more like the zest of a lemon. But there is a darkness to it, a slight smokiness. I really like this. Is it redundant? Maybe slightly redundant. But it really is doing its own thing. I really like this. Let me put another dose on here. Wow, this stuff, you can see this. It's very oily on my skin. Can you see that? You see the oiliness? This is a high concentration fragrance, definitely. Yeah. So I'm picking up oak moss, citrus, fruits, definite amber. Yeah, this is a good one. Is it worth the money? Absolutely. It's definitely worth it. This is really, I feel like this is gonna be something big. A lot of people right now are talking about it, but this is going to grow and exceed. A lot of people need to get their noses on this. This is really nice. I mean, this is, would I say it's better than Aventus? Yeah. I think so. I think it is, because it's what Aventus could be, if that makes sense. This is elevated Aventus. Maybe, like I said, maybe it is like Absolute, because I haven't smelled Absolute, and I was told that Absolute is an elevated, I was told that Aventus Absolute is an elevated Aventus, and this definitely comes off as an elevated Aventus. But it's really nice, and and this is just doing something different that I haven't experienced yet with a fragrance. It's caramely, it's intense, it's strong. Beautiful citrus. If you are a citrus fan, this is the way to go. This fragrance is so unique in its own way, but I really like it. I'm not going to rate it yet because I haven't experienced it throughout the day. I haven't experienced the dry down, but I really dig this. This is something that is definitely going to be in regular rotation for sure. And for like 50, 55 bucks, you cannot go wrong with this. The presentation is great. It feels high quality. This does not feel like a cheap clone or dupe. This feels like its own unique fragrance. I mean, if a designer or a niche house came out with this fragrance, called it whatever they wanted to call it, this would be probably one of their top sellers. That's just my opinion. This is a great fragrance. I'm really glad I got it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you decide on whether or not to pick up Hawas Black. It's definitely a great fragrance. Definitely subscribe and follow me if you haven't already. I love you guys so much. Please leave down in the comments, have you tried this fragrance? Do you want to try this fragrance? Let me know your opinions on it. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. I hope you guys have a great day, and as always, have a fragrant state of mind.